Commodity Murabaha has been heavily used as a mechanism for cash generation. Some refer to the transaction as tawaruk, which lexically means generating cash in Arabic. However, this is not the purpose Murabaha was initially designed for. Sharia scholars are not pleased with this practice. They're pushing more toward genuine murabaha through which the bank buys the actual commodity, for example, a car, furniture, appliances, etc., and resells it to the customer at a cost plus margin or what we call customer finance. This is also the reason why tawaruk or commodity murabaha is a contentious sales transaction. Let us further explain commodity murabaha or tawaruk. In this scenario or situation, the customer seeking cash approaches the bank, the Islamic bank. The Islamic bank buys a product from a vendor, then sells it to the customer through murabaha or a markup sale with deferred payments. The customer agrees. For instance, customer A here agrees and then requires the Islamic bank now as an agent to sell it to another customer, customer B, on his behalf in order to receive cash. As a result, customer A gains liquidity. However, he has higher debt to pay at a later date. We should remember that when customer A requires the Islamic bank to sell the item to another customer, the item is sold at the original purchase price of 100,000 pesos. But despite that, the bank also gains profit because the Islamic bank sold the item to customer A at a markup of 30,000 pesos. So this is a case where customer A requires the bank to act as its agent to sell the item to another customer. The second scenario is that instead of requiring the bank to act as the agent, customer A himself sells the product to customer B. So there is no requirement of agency between customer A and the Islamic bank. So these are two scenarios which show commodity murabaha or tawaruk.